Hey beauties, it's Daisy, and today we have this body wave wig that I colored, got a little highlight going, and it's super cute. You're gonna love how I curl this hair and everything about this wig. So it's from Nadula hair, so if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Here is the box the wig came in, and the wig straight out the packaging. They actually seemed like they bleached the knots, but it needed a little bit more bleaching. If you don't know how to bleach the knots, then it may work for you, but the knots were a little bit too dark for me, as you can see. But it came with some baby hairs pulled out in front, and the lace is kind of like a brown color with a little tint of I don't know, transparent color. I don't know, but you guys will see how the lace came out. It looks really good on me. It was a perfect color for me. And here is the curl pattern before I do anything to this wig. It's so pretty and silky. I could just run my fingers through it. And of course, I'm using some bleaching powder with 30 volume developer. And this is how the wig looks before it processes. And once I washed out the hair and everything, this is how the knots came out, which I was really happy about. And I also bleached the hair after I let the hair air dry and bleached the knots, and then I colored it, and this is how the hair looks air dried. Before, I added a little bit of Cajun spice and did a watercolor method, and this is how I got the color. Super pretty. And this is the hair just completely air dried. It's super full and I love the color. Just a little bit of highlight, not too much. So now I'm going to cut off the lace and just get everything right. I like to do zigzag motions so the lace is not as noticeable once you lay it down. So that's a little trick for you. And I'm using Got2b glue to lay my wigs. You know how I do if you're not new here. Once the wig is laid, now it's time to melt the lace. You have to get a scarf. This is a must-have once you are wearing wigs, trust me, okay? Now I'm going to get into the styling of the hair, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, so just kick back and chill and watch your girl slay this hair, okay? And here we have our final look. I really like how it looked before I did my makeup because my curls didn't drop. But it was about 2 hours later. I took a little bit longer and did some things. But this is how the hair looks in the final look with my makeup looking all cute and stuff. I love this hair. It doesn't shed or tangle. It's super soft and silky. And the hair didn't even break off after I colored it. So that was great. So if you want to get this wig or you're looking for a body wave wig, check out Nadula hair. You will not be disappointed. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And until my next video, later.